Hello, adventurers, part-timers, full-timers, and everyone in between. And welcome back to the Luxe Fifth Wheels channel. Today we are looking at the Luxe 42 RL Elite fifth wheel, specifically the back section, which typically houses a sofa with a pull-out queen bed for guests. Traditionally, theater seating is here, and the sofa here as you saw in the floor plan. Now, our standard and upgradable furniture are both made right here in Elkhart County. Now, let's have a look at a personalization. The owners put the sofa where the standard theater seating goes. Now, here we have a dual desk, which is a great setup. We've seen offices in toy haulers and in the 42 MD mid-den, but many of our floor plans can be tweaked to truly make a fifth wheel or toy hauler your home. This is a solid surface top with wood frame and drawers made by our shop. So what do you think? Would you prefer the sofa there, or do you like the dual desks? Build your own Luxe fifth wheel in our builder linked below, or call one of our factory reps at 844-284-6678 to discuss tweaking and personalizing your future fifth wheel.